కేజీ వరకు ఏదైనా నాకు కొరియర్ చేసి పంపించమని నేను తెచ్చిస్తాను. అయితే అమ్మ నాకు అసలు ఏమి ఇక్కడ లేవు.
Good evening, everyone. So myself, Tahir. Now, currently, I'm working in an MNC company as a tech lead. So I work on different technologies, web development for the front end and back end, and also I work on embedded systems. So I have knowledge on multiple technologies, and currently I'm working as a tech lead in an MNC. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the web development, front-end web development. So mostly we are going to concentrate on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. Okay. Guys, can you please mute?
Yeah, Ahmad Ali.
Ahmad.
Ahmad Ali. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I muted. Guys, now the voice is clear. Okay. Now is it clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. Thanks for the response. So, okay, this is what about myself. Now, first we'll discuss what we are, who we are, what is this BBIC, what we are going to provide you, what you can get from this BBIC, and then we'll go for the technical. So actually, we are a product-based company. We are not only providing the courses. Providing the courses is just a part in our company. So actually, we are a completely product-based company, where our main aim is to become a robotic and drones in company into the market. Okay, so in future we are going to launch a lot of products about the robotics and drones. Okay, and apart from that, we are providing multiple training sessions for the corporate people, and also for students like you who are aspired to get the career into the IT industry. We are providing the courses for them as well. So we all are working experts. Okay, so we are not only giving the trainings. Apart from that, in real time, we are working for some other companies. As part time, we are giving the training for all the students. Okay, so in this slide, you can see this complete course we are going to provide you with very effective prices. Okay, and this is not just recorded sessions. We are not giving to everyone. This is completely live sessions. Okay, direct one-to-one. That means daily we will be having some live sessions. Okay, daily 1 hour we will having the training session, and we'll provide you 1 hour free support as well. If you have any doubts, any queries and all, you can just post. Once we started the course, we'll create a group, WhatsApp group. There you can post all your doubts. For that 1 hour free, we will provide the support as well to clarify your doubts. After that, we have the paid support as well. That we'll discuss later how this paid support will work. What is this paid support and all. Okay, daily we will be having daily 1 hour session where we are going to discuss the main topics about the technology about this front end web development. Okay, and we are not only providing the web development, we have multiple technologies. If you want, you can join multiple technologies, but this complete session is about the front end web development. So we have different technologies. In this slide, you can see there are multiple technologies like data science. We will be giving a separate React.js as a separate course, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as a separate course. And we will teach you if you want, you can join in the Android, where you can learn with the Java and with the help of Kotlin. Any one programming is enough. It's not required to learn Java and Kotlin. You can learn only Java and develop the Android application, or else you can learn only Kotlin and develop the Android application. And you can learn. We are having Flutter, where you can develop the mobile application which will work in the Android as well as the iOS itself. Okay, this complete Flutter will be developed with the help of the Dart programming language. Okay, so in that course you can learn that one. So we have Django, Tableau, embedded systems as well. Okay, in embedded system you will be having you are going to learn multiple programming languages as well as about the hardware, all the stuff. If you have electronic knowledge, if you are willing to learn about the embedded system, then you can go for the embedded system as well. And if you want to go for the database engineer or database administrator, then you can learn the Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL, DBMS and all. Okay, and if you want to learn the programming languages, that also we are providing. If you want to learn C++ the data structure, that also we are providing as a separate course. And if you want to learn only the Java, okay, if you are a student, okay, still you are graduating, and if you are having the on campus in your colleges itself, then also you have to write some tests. So for that, it is mandatory to learn some programming language. It is mandatory to have some programming knowledge, because whenever you are going to give some exam or some test in on site, that means in your on campus itself, there these programming languages are very helpful for you. Okay, so mostly for the on campus or on site, they will provide questions from the C++ and data structure. Okay, and you can learn only the Python as well. Okay, and we have web scripting, Selenium automation testing. We have manual testing and automation testing. For automation testing, we are providing the Selenium. Okay, with Selenium will be the framework. For that, you have to learn the Java. Okay, and we'll providing the only manual testing itself. In manual testing itself, we have so many things to learn. Okay, so there are different type of testings that we can do in manual testing. Those are all things that you can learn in the manual testing. So apart from the technical, we are providing non-technical courses as well for you guys. Okay, so what are those? If you want to improve your English communication skills, okay, or else behavior skills, how to present yourself to others. That means whenever you entered into a company, you cannot be like you should not talk how you are talking with your friends. That should be a professional, right? So how to behave, how to improve your communication skills, those all we are providing in the different courses. And if you are trying to prepare and trying to write some tests through AMCAT or eLitmus or Cocobus, so these are the online platforms from where you can this is where you can write online tests. These are the online platforms from where you can get the jobs easily. So we will train you for those online exams as well. Okay, these are the current running batches, which are morning. It was completed morning and afternoon. Now we are in the last batch where we are discussing about the web. Okay, and these two batches are currently going on. That means from the Monday onwards, so these two batches will start. So for these two batches, it's not the webinar. For these two batches are the real batches. That means from Monday onwards, these two batches are live is going on for them. Okay, about this, how we are going to provide the support and all, at the end we'll discuss. what support that you will get, and how this paid support is going to work. All those things we'll discuss at the end. Okay. Now we'll see some technical things. If you have any doubts about the company, you can please ask, or else I will go for the technical stuff. If you have any doubts about our company, or else if you have any, if you want any clarity about what we are, who we are, and what we are going to do, how we are going to provide the courses, please ask, or else we'll go for the technical thing. At the end, if you want, you can ask at the end as well. Now we'll see something about web. Straight. Okay. So now first we'll see the outline. What are the topics that we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides? We'll see. So first we are going to discuss about the introduction. What is web development? How it will work? Why the web applications are required? All those things we'll discuss, and then we'll go for what are the real-time applications existing there. Okay, we have a lot of real-time applications. What are those? How those applications are working? How those applications have been developed? And we'll see some example as well. That means we'll develop some simple web application. So next we'll see about the careers in the web development. How you can get the jobs into the web development. Okay, how the opportunities will be. What are the opportunities? All those things we'll discuss in the third slide, and then we'll go for the fourth slide, where we are going to discuss about why you need to join this course, what you can get from this course. All those things we'll discuss in the fourth slide. Finally, we'll be having the question and answer session, where you can ask all your questions about the technical stuff or non-technical stuff. We'll try to clear all those questions. So coming to the introduction, first slide. So what is a web development? So does anyone know what is internet? Anyone? Guys, this is not a class. This is an interactive session. When I'm asking something, if you say, if you reply that, then it will be very easy for me, and also it will be good for you to interact and to have a proper communication with each other. All right. So can anyone know what is internet? If you know, just one word. What is internet in your own words? You can please unmute and tell me. What do you know about the internet? Or else anyone have the knowledge about these technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Or else this is completely new for you. Based on that, I will give the webinar. Okay, for you it's new. Guys, please send your message in the chat, or else unmute and tell.
It is a global network.
Sandeep, can you please talk loudly?
It is a global network.
Internet means it's a local network.
Yes, and global network.
Okay, local and global network. Okay, fine. Any other? Okay, fine. So this web development is new for you, or else you already have some knowledge on web development. So for SWAR, I don't know who is he, SWAR. Web development is new for you. For others, this web development and web technologies are new for you, or else you already have some knowledge. Yes, please respond there, or else just connected and went for your works. Okay, for Sandeep also new. Livia Raj, have basic knowledge. Then she are new. Okay, I will consider the web development is new for everyone. Internet is not only just www, it's ORE. Then that. What does it mean, Nilavan? Get more. Okay, let me tell you. So internet is something where communication will happen from end to end. Okay, internet is something where communication will happen from one end to another end. So you can consider a lot of things that we can see in real time. Okay, so that communication may happen through a network. Okay, that communication will happen through a network from any point to any point. Okay, that communication will not only the voice. Okay, that communication may be the text, the communication may be some images, maybe some attachments. Okay, anything that will be that where we are going to communicate, or else where we are going to see something and understand or analyze something from another place, where from our place itself. Okay, that is called as an internet. That means worldwide, not only the world, globally, that we can access the data. All right, that is called as an internet. And what is intranet? So now we understand internet what it is. Now what is intranet? Intranet is a private network. Okay, and internet is a public network. Anyone can access anything in the internet, right? But intranet is a private network. That means only within that organization, or else within that network itself, that we can access. For example, if you join any company, so there will be the intranet will be there. Those company websites you can open only in that organization only. Okay, that means you can access those organization URLs, or else those organization data through their provided devices, or else within that organization with their network itself. Out from that organization, you cannot access that one. That is called as an intranet. Okay, so web development will be involved in the internet as well as the intranet. Wherever you saw some website, okay, wherever or whenever you saw some website, that website definitely will have some application, right? You are able to see something, right? That is called as web application. That those applications are nothing but the web application. Anything that you are able to see in the internet, that is the web application. Okay, how it will be developed? Okay, so in nowadays we are having different technologies, right? You can hear that React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, Next.js. There are a lot of front-end frameworks and libraries are there to develop the web applications. But internally, what is required? Okay, internally, what is required for all these frameworks, all these libraries means HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the base for developing the web applications. If you are able to see any application, these are the base. Okay, so in the upcoming slides, we'll discuss how those websites have been designed. How can we see the code? How can we see the HTML code, CSS code, and JavaScript code of that particular website? Okay, we'll see in the upcoming slides. Okay, so these are the front-end technologies for developing the front-end view. Okay, front-end application. These are very important three. These are not the programming languages. These are some sort of, see, HTML is a markup language. It's not a programming language, and CSS is not a programming language. It is not a markup language. It is just for styling. Okay, it is just for styling the HTML tags or the HTML elements. We will use the CSS. JavaScript means to provide the functionality. In detail, we'll discuss in this slide. Okay, first HTML. What we can do with the HTML? So as I already told you, HTML is a markup language. That means it completely stands for hypertext markup language. That means it will having the tags where the browser will understand. That means browser will have something called DOM, document object model. So it will completely understand the objects. So these complete objects will be created with the help of the HTML. Okay, these HTML tags will be converted to the objects with the help of the DOM. Okay, so that DOM will analyze these HTML tags, and it will render, and browser will show this complete data whatever we have written or designed with the help of the HTML. So what HTML tags we have? There are a lot of tags. Okay, it's very difficult to understand, not only understand, it's easy to understand, but it's very difficult to list all the tags in the HTML, because whenever new versions are coming in the HTML, we will get some new tags as well. Okay, some of the tags we'll see. Okay, some of the tags, you can see some headings in the web applications, and you can see some paragraphs, you can see some lists, you can see some tables, you can see some forms, login pages. That means you are typing something in the text editors, right? All those will be created with the help of the HTML tags. Okay, so here we are just creating the this one, what do you call, places. So this place we are writing something as heading. Okay, and this place, some place we are writing only some paragraph. And how we can provide the colors, how we can change the what do you call, shape for the boxes, or else if we created simple a box, and how can we change the shape for the box, and what pixel that we can give, and how we can design that, how we can animate the particular thing. All those things we can do in the CSS, which stands for Cascaded Style Sheet. It is not a programming language, it is just styling. It is to style the HTML, we will use the CSS. Okay, so in the CSS we can give the colors for the text, and we can give background images, background colors, and we can give the border for the boxes. We can design different type of shapes, all those things, and we can do the animation in the CSS as well. Okay, all those things we can give do in the CSS. Now we have the HTML and CSS, right? We can create the complete web page. And then why we need the JavaScript? This question will get to everyone, right? So why JavaScript means to make the website as functional. Okay, so for example, if user click on some button, okay, for example, some login page is there. Okay, you are going to log in, you have entered your email ID and password, and you are going to click on the button. So after that, what will happen? Okay, after that functionality, some functionality will happen, then only will go to the next page, right? That means your email and password, that means your user ID and password will compare, check, and everything will happen. All the functionality will be take place in the backend, and it will check whether it is valid or not, it is valid user or not, password and user ID are matching or not. All those things will be checked, and all this functionality will be there, right? All those things will be taken care by the JavaScript. Okay, so completely all the functionality that we can implement with the help of the JavaScript. Okay, so in real time we can consider this image. So you can see here HTML, we are considering it as a simple skeleton, where only the skeleton of the human body, without having any colors, without having any nerves. Okay, so this is a simple human skeleton. That is the HTML. If you create only with the HTML, it will be only the HTML tags, HTML data. And if you provide CSS for that one, you can see the structure of this one, right? And how the functionality will be, the functionality in the human will be the brain, the nerves, right, heart, all those things will the main functionalities which are providing in the human body, right? In JavaScript also like that only. In this web development, HTML is only the skeleton, CSS is the complete colors for that one, and JavaScript is the functionality for this complete application. Okay, now we'll see what are the real-time examples are there. Okay, we'll see some real-time examples. Okay, so there are a lot of applications are there in web application. So you have Facebook, you have mobile application, as well as the web application as well. Okay, Amazon, you have mobile application and web application is also there. Flipkart is there. Swiggy, Zomato, lot of applications are there, right? Now we'll see how this application has been created. Okay, we'll see the internal code of this one. I'm going to open a simple application. Let me open Amazon. So you can see this. I'm going to open the Amazon. So you can see the Amazon application. So this is the Amazon application, right? So now we'll see the code. We'll inspect the code. So here you can see this is the complete HTML code of this particular web page. Okay, this is the complete HTML code. This is the complete HTML code for this complete web page. And here you can see the CSS property. Here you can see the CSS properties. All the CSS properties that you can see here. Okay. And if you go to the source, so here you can see the code of the JavaScript code as well. Mostly the JavaScript codes will be encrypted. So you cannot find much JavaScript code in all the web applications. In very rare applications only you can see the JavaScript code. Most of the web applications, they will encrypt the JavaScript code. Okay, so here you can see the services.js. So this is the JavaScript code. Okay, you can see a lot of try throw. That means for error exception handlings, and some other things. A lot of functions. You can see the functions. This is the complete code of this Amazon. You can see this. If you want to inspect only this particular image, let me go to the elements. So what I am going to do is, see, I'm going to here, right click, and I'm going to inspect only this particular element. You can see here, this particular element, Amazon.in, that is an anchor tag, a tag, right? A tag. Here for this a tag, they have given some image, and they have given some name with the help of the span tag. All right. And this a tag is nothing but for the links and all. We'll use the, whenever you are going to redirect from one place to some other web page through some URLs, for that we will use the a tag, anchor tags. So this is the a tag. That means if you click, you can able to click on this one. When you click on this one, it will open some web page. Okay. So for example, if I am in this page, okay, you can see the web link. This is the web link URL. Okay. When I click on this particular Amazon.in image, it will redirect to some other place because this is an anchor tag. You can see if I click on this one, you can see this. You can see the web link. Web link has been changed because this particular thing is an a tag. Understood? Not only this application, Amazon, you can open any web application. You can open Flipkart. Go to inspect. You can see the Flipkart code here. I'm going to inspect only this element. So you can see here they have provided an image. For that they have given img tag. Img tag stands for image tag. Okay, and this image tag there is there inside the a tag. Okay, that means whenever you click on this image, this you will go for this particular URL. Understood? This is how you can see the code of any application. You can see the code of HTML code and CSS properties of any application that you can see by inspecting that particular web pages. Okay. Now let us see a simple application, simple example. We'll create a simple web page with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now I am going to create something here. Okay, so first I am going to create a file called index.html. Okay, okay, this is the basic HTML template. Okay, these are not required as of now, or else let it be. And this title, so first we will see what are these tags. So doc type, so you can see the first line. Is this visible properly? So I will teach you how to set up the core VS Code and all later in the upcoming sessions. Okay, or else you want me to zoom in a little bit? Is it okay? Is it okay now? Okay, now you can see the first line. Okay, doc type HTML. This stands for, it is saying to the browser this particular document is HTML type of document. Okay, this particular this particular file is a HTML file. It will try to tell to the browser so that the browser will understand this file is an HTML file. And you can see the HTML tags here. So inside this only we have to write the complete HTML code. So inside this HTML tag, from HTML start to end. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. You can say this one. So this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag for this one. So inside this only we can write anything. All the HTML code we must have to write inside this one. And you can see two more tags, header tag and body tag. Header tag is something where we are going to mention our header data about the file. Okay, what is the name of this particular file that you can mention here? So I'm going to mention webinar sample app. So this name you can see, let me start the server for this one. Click here, open my server. So here you can see the webinar sample app, right? This is the title of the web page. So whatever the name that you are mentioning here, whatever the text that you are mentioning here, this will be visible in the web page. So for example, if you open simple Flipkart, so you can see here online shopping site for something. Here you have so much text. This is mentioned in the title. So whatever you are seeing here, this is mentioned in the title. So then only you can see the data here. Okay, so we have named our web page as webinar sample app. So here you can see that one. So complete header details that you can mention. What is this meta tag? What is the use of the meta tag? And what are these attributes in the meta tag and all? These are little bit, you need some more knowledge to understand this one. Those will discuss in depth about in the upcoming sessions. About this language tag and all. There are some other attributes for the tags. There are something called attributes for the tag. Those we'll discuss in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so what is this body tag? Inside the body tag, we need to design our complete web application. So in the header tag, we need to mention the header data about the application. What is this particular web page means? What data will be there in this particular web page? All those things that you can mention here. Your web page design will be mentioned inside the body tag. So now I am going to take one tag called h1 tag, that is header tag. Okay, this is a sample web application. So I can see here, this is a sample web application. Okay, we have created this one with the help of the h1 tag. So next I am going to take one more tag called div tag, or else not required div tag. I am going to take a simple p tag. This is a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph. You can see the paragraph data, right? I can see the paragraph data. So this is the p tag. Now I am going to take a div tag. Okay, div tag is useful to create block of data. Inside that we can mention some block of data. Okay, and I am going to give the some class equals to something called box. Okay, this is box. You can see this is a box. Now what I am going to do is, so this is a simple HTML code. Now you can see only the simple text that you are able to see, right? So now what I am going to do is I am going to provide some CSS for this one. So for this box, I am going to provide the box structure. Okay. So for that, what I am going to do is I'm going to create a file called index.css. Okay. So dot box. I'm going to give the height. Just give 300 pixel. Width 300 pixel. And background color, I'm going to give blue. And then border radius 30
Just 1 minute, guys. Our trainer has joined. He's facing some network problem. Just 1 minute. How's the session, guys? Just wait for 1 minute. Again, he's joining. Okay, good, good. That's great, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nilvan. Thank you. Thank you, Koneshwaran, Dhanushia. Our trainers are they are real-time employees. As usual, and yes, okay. Thank you, Ahmad Ali. Thank you. The trainers are the real-time experts. They are working in MNCs. Along with that, at the part time, they'll do the trainings also. Okay. So make utilize this golden opportunity for you. I think all of you are the freshers. Good. That's great. That's great, buddy. Just 1 second, guys. Please hold on. Once the technical part will be over, I'll explain you the bonuses and features what we provided from our company. Okay, once the technical part will end, I'll explain you the each and every term clearly. Okay, so
Uh,
I think our trainer is back. We
Sorry,
can
some
continue our session.
system issue, some technical issue. So system got restarted. So that's why it was disconnected. Can you please
Yes,
give me the access to share the screen?
yes, I am given now. Given right.
Okay. So yes. Okay. So till what you have said. Okay. So here I have provided some margin as well, and this is the CSS. And here what we need to do is we need to link our CSS with. I have shared my screen, right? Are you able to see my screen? I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So here what we have done is we linking or linking the CSS or libraries. So if you want to link any CSS libraries, that you can do with the help of the link tag in the header, not in the body. Okay. If you want to import any libraries in this HTML, those are things that you have to do inside the header tag. So with the help of the link tag, I have imported the index.css. This is there in the same file. So I have given this one. You can see the box now. Okay, you can see the box. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give something called ID. Let me give, or else let me give the class. I'm going to give p data. Okay, I'm going to do something. P data. I'm going to give the color. Let me give blue and font size. I'm going to give, let me give some more size, 440 pixel, and I'm going to give the font weight, which is bold I want. Okay, so I have given something for this one. You can see this one. So how to remove this? So you can see the color of this one. Okay, and let me give the color of this one will be white. Right, you can see the color of the text is white. Okay, so this is how we need to add the CSS in our HTML. Let's add some JavaScript here. Okay, let's add some adding JavaScript. We'll discuss we'll discuss the JavaScript in depth and completely in the upcoming sessions. So here I'm going to give script tag we need to use, and we need to provide the src equals to index.js. I'm going to create that file. Okay, I'm going to create that file called index.js. Okay, so I have created the file called index.js. So now what I am going to do is, so here I'm going to create a button. Okay, change shape. Okay, and that give the class equals to change button. Or else you can give btn. I'm going to do some style for the button as well. Okay, and let me give the width. Let me give the width as 100 pixel. Height of 50 pixel. color will be black. No, color will be white. We give the color as white, and background color will give black. Border radius, I'm going to get in cell. Just PTN. You can see the button. I think we'll give it a little bit more. 200 pixels. Okay, this is the button. Okay, when I click on this button, now what I need is when I click on this button, I need to change this box shape and this particular text color, or also this particular text data itself I need to change. How can we do that? Okay, for that we need JavaScript. Okay, for that we need JavaScript. So what I'm going to do is on click, I'm going to call a function called change shape. I'm going to call a function called change shape that I'm going to create here. I'm going to const, I'm going to create some variables, const. First, what we need to change? We need to change this particular data to document dot get element by class name. Okay, what is that class name? This is the class name. Next variable I am going to create const. What is that variable? The box, right? We need to change the box shape. So box equals to same thing. Copy here, paste it here. Then we give the class name is this one. And I need to, we want to create this one function, right? I'm going to create a function and call this one. We'll just check whether we are coming into the function or not first. Log function. So how can we check that? So we'll just inspect this page, go to console. Okay, if I click on this one, it has to go, it has to print something here. You can come to here, which says click on click on click on click on click. We should have to on click. We need to call. Is this?
Screen is off.
Sorry.
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. Oh. So, are you able to see it now? Okay. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
So, what we
Yes,
have.
Tahir, it is visible.
Okay, so now whenever I click on this particular button, I'm calling this function change shape. So this function is there. I'm just printing some console here to just check whether we are coming into this function or not. Okay, now nothing is there in the console. If I click on this button, you can see here the text. That means we are successfully coming inside the function. Okay, now what we need to do? So we need to change the shape of this box, right? Box dot style dot border radius equals to I am going to give 150 pixel. Okay, so we click on this one, style or styles. the border radius, BORDERS. Border radius, I am going to give the border radius.
Screen, sir, screen.
Sorry,
Screen not visible.
screen not visible. I have shared the screen. Wait, I will reshare again. Are you able to see now?
No.
Why it is stopping every time? Now
Yes, sir.
It is okay now.
Yes, sir.
where is this page? So why it is not changing because of the class name? Okay, what I'm going to do is the ID equals to MAT or else something. JavaScript get element by ID. Something element box. Let's see the output. Now it was changed. So you can see. So if I refresh, it is a circle. Sorry, now it is a square. When I click on this particular button, it has been changed to the circle, right? We have changed the border radius. Now you can see the text is here. You can't see the text because it is white color. You can see the text is here. Now we need this text to be here, center. How can we do this? So in CSS, what I'm going to do is, so for the box, what I'm going to do, display data will be the flex. I'm going to make it flex direction, not required. I'm going to align items to be center, justify content to be center. You can see the text is now in the center. If I change the shape, it is there in the center. Now this one we have achieved, right? So next what we need to do, we need to change the content of this particular text, right? Okay, you can change. I just given the example to change the shape. If you want, you can change the color as well. Let us see this one as well for the color. Background color. I'm going to change it to red. To refresh, change. You can see the color has been changed to red, right? So anything that you can control, or not only this particular functionality, you can do any functionality with the help of the JavaScript. Okay, next thing that we need to change the content in paragraph, right? So I'm going to create the ID for the paragraph. So let me create an ID equals to some text data, simple something I have created. So this one, get element by ID, text data I have given. Here you can mention any name. Okay, I have just given simple just for understanding, just for example, right? So you can give any name here. So what I'm going to do, p dot inner HTML equals to data has been changed. Okay. Refresh. So you can see the data has been changed. We have changed the data. So this is how we can change the data. So if I want to change the color also for this one, how can we do? Same, right? So p data dot style dot color equals to, I am going to change it to brown. Okay, Just I'm going to refresh the page. Now the color is blue and the box color is blue. If I click on this button, you can see the data color has been changed to data also changed, and also the color also changed. You can see this one. So this is just a simple example. So in the upcoming session, we can create some clone applications like Flipkart we can create, or else Netflix clone application we create. That means however the Netflix cities are same like that, we can create our own application itself. Okay, so this is how the CSS, HTML and JavaScript will be clear. So just we'll open the webinar PPT. It was closed because my system has been restarted. Let me open PPT as well. So that is the example about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let us see the careers in web development, how it is. So in web development, there is never ending. If you haven't get the job in the company, you can do your own freelancing itself, because there are a lot of applications where the existing application itself in modifications are required. And if any small company is going to register, if someone is going to start their own company, definitely they will need some web some application, some web page, right? So those also you can create as a freelancer. So if you learn the web development properly, you no need to get the job itself, because you can easily earn the money as a freelancer. You can easily get the job by yourself. So if you just registered in the freelancing websites by yourself after learning the job, this one web development, you can easily get the project from there. If you completed those projects, they will pay you. Okay, so that is the side thing that you can do. Okay, in companies from the MNCs to startup, there are a lot of opportunities are there for the web developers, because nowadays everything, if you consider any product, whether it is enterprise product or else whether it is shopping product, any product that they are going to create it as a web application also. Instead of creating mobile applications, they are creating the web applications also. So there is a never ending for the web developers. So there are a lot of jobs are there for the web developers. You can easily get the jobs. Okay, we will guide you how to get into the industry. We will guide you and we will mentor you how to apply for the jobs in the MNCs or else in the startups. How you can what do you call? How you can attend the interviews. Okay, all those things we will guide you. You no need to worry about those things. We will guide you for all those things. We will mentor you for that one. Okay, so that is how it will be. And now we'll see what the course content will be. Okay, what we are going to discuss in the main course. We'll see the course content. We have the complete course content in the PDF. Full screen is not there. It's okay, fine. Okay, so the course will be two modules actually. It is HTML, CSS and JavaScript is one module, and will include the libraries as well, and React.js will be a separate module. If you already have the knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it's better to go for the React.js. Why we are preferring the React.js than AngularJS means there are a lot of opportunities in the React.js compared to the AngularJS. Okay, and the upcoming applications, whatever the applications are coming, all those applications people are designing and they are requesting to develop those applications in React.js only, because React.js is very simple and very useful library, and you can use so many third-party libraries in this React.js. So actually React.js is not a framework like AngularJS. It is just a JavaScript, pure JavaScript library. Okay, so this is a complete separate module. If you already have the knowledge in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can go for the React.js. If you don't have the knowledge on this one, you can take this complete separate module for the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After learning that, you can go for the React.js. Okay, this HTML, we are going to teach you the latest version, not the old version. So most of the training institutes, they will just teach the basics of the HTML, like the basic HTML. We will teach you the advanced level of the HTML. So there are advanced level of tags are there in the HTML. Okay, so not only the image tags and not only these tags, there are some video tags are there. Okay, there are some lot of other tags are there, and there are some advanced things are there in the HTML which are comes with this HTML5 version, which is the latest version of the HTML. Okay, and CSS 4 is the latest version. Will teach you about the CSS. Just now is a simple UI alignment, simple UI design we have, sir. So there are a lot of things that we can do with the CSS. We can do the animations. We can do so many designs with the CSS. And Bootstrap and Material UI are the libraries for the CSS. Okay, you no need to do so much of designing. If you use these libraries, you can easily write the you can easily develop the web application. You don't need to take much time. It will not it is not required to spend more time to design all the stuff on that, because if you use this library, everything is already available in this library. You just need to use that library. We'll teach you how to use the library in an effective way. Okay, after that we'll be having the JavaScript. So I will consider the JavaScript as you as a fresher. I will teach you from the scratch. As if this JavaScript is a type of object-oriented programming language. I will teach you everything from creating the variables to creating the functions. There are a lot of other topics are there which we'll discuss. All those things we'll discuss. And for each and every module, if we completed the HTML, there will be some projects you have to do. Okay, and we'll discuss about those. And CSS, when we completed CSS along with the HTML, you have to do, including the CSS, you have to do some projects. And after completing the JavaScript, you have to combine all these three and you have to do some projects. So everything will be practical in the upcoming session for React.js as well. Okay, so for the timings and all, we'll discuss later in the main session. So this is the HTML content what we are going to discuss. I think this PDF will be shared by Nagura. After the session, you can go through that if you want. Anyhow, we'll provide all these documents, all the materials in the course itself. Okay, we'll discuss the Bootstrap and Material AI. There are some other libraries also there for the UI, but these two are the more useful and mostly used libraries. In most of the application they are using, everyone are using these two libraries. So we'll more concentrate on these the two libraries. We'll guide you how to use those libraries. And for the JavaScript, as I told you, we'll go from the scratch. We'll understand how the JavaScript will work, how to create the variables, how to create the functions, how to import the JavaScript function already there. Okay, how to create, how to get the backend data with the help of the APIs, how to integrate the APIs, how to post the data to the backend. All those things we'll discuss in the JavaScript. In the React.js, we'll discuss there are a lot of things are there. So that's why we kept React.js as a separate course, because React.js will take little bit more time to understand, because React.js itself is a little bit big concept. Okay, there are so many topics are there to understand in the React.js. Okay, so there is something called JSX. It is a little bit advanced to the JavaScript. That means the extension will be JSX. That means JavaScript extended XML. Okay, that means including the Java in the same JavaScript file, we are going to create the HTML also. Okay, so there are something called class component, functional components in the JavaScript. There are a lot of things are there. In functional component, there are there is something called hooks. We'll discuss the different type of hooks. Okay, and the advanced level in the React.js is state management. It is very, very important and very useful in real time. If you are doing any little bit, if you are doing some big project, definitely there will be something called state management. How you are managing your complete web application stage. That means if user logged in, how you are storing the data of the user. When user logged in means user details will be there, right? How you are storing the data. If you are going from one web page to another web page, how you are passing the data from one web page to another web page, all those things will be done with the help of the Redux. That's why we will call the Redux as a state management tool. So this is the advanced concept. This one also we'll discuss in the React.js module. Okay, this is all about the course content what we are going to discuss in the upcoming course. Okay, coming back to our slide. So this is all about the webinar, guys. If you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to ask. We are here to clear all your queries. We'll try to clear your queries. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts about the course, please ask us.
Hi folks, if you have any technical questions, queries or doubts, whatever it may be, please feel free to ask our sir, Tahir sir. Or else we can jump start with our registration part. If anyone have any doubts, please raise your hand. Okay. That's good, Nitish. Okay, guys. Yes. Good. Yeah, you can ask Tamilian. Tami Nilvan, you can ask, no issue at all.
Bro, if you join in a company as a fresher, learning in a basic of web development, after that, is that a work hard?
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
I'm asking about the how will be the work of role in web development.
Yeah,
It is hard in
I understand.
coding or learn a lot of things, or it is easy or hard.
Okay, I understood. So there is nothing called easy and hard. That is completely depends on you how you understand, how you are able to understand analyzing the things or analyzing the technology what you are going to select compared to other technologies. Like if you consider the embedded systems, for embedded systems you need complete knowledge on the electronics, you need complete knowledge on the programming language, then only you can work. Okay, and while working also there will be different type of controller processors. There will every time it will get changed, so every time we need to understand those all things and all. But coming to the web development, it is not like that. If we know the React.js library, that means if you are a React.js web developer, so you can stick to that one. If you learn the React.js, that will be fine for you for the entire life. You just need to update yourself in the React.js itself, because every time whenever the update comes, there are some libraries or there's some updates in the sense some new hooks will be they will add in the React.js. So only those things that you need to learn. So once you are as a fresher, if you enter into the company as a web developer, it will become, if you don't have the knowledge, it will become little bit difficult. If you have the knowledge about the web development and if you entered into the company, it will become very easy for you. Okay, I hope this will help you for your query.
Thank you.
Yeah. Piyush,
Yes, that
you
was good.
asked something called live server क्यों work नहीं कर रहा था आपका सेशन में. No, अच्छा, live server. Because my system is restarting again and again. I don't know what exactly the technical issue. So that's why the live server is not working. But actually the live server will work. Okay, in the complete course, I have used the live server only. So it will work. I hope it cleared your doubt. Piyush Jain. Okay, can we get the course PDF or not? Some guy is Acer. I don't know who's he or she. Yeah, you will get the complete course PDF. Any other having any doubts about the course or else about the any technical doubts or non-technical doubts about the company as well? You can ask anything. If we don't have anything, then we'll wind up the session.
Okay, I think it's almost none of you have any technical questions. Yes, yes, Kiran, you will get certified. We'll provide you the course completion certificates.
Piyush Jain, I think still you haven't understood. We have run the web application in the local server, not in the main server. Local server will be there in the machine itself, so internet is not required for the local server. And VS Code is just an editor. It is not mandatory to use the VS Code, because why we are using the VS Code is there are so many already developed plugins are there, so we can use those plugins to make easy to develop the code. You can use any editor. If you don't have any editors, you can use the notepad itself to write the HTML and CSS and JavaScript as well. How to pay the amount on this course? Yeah, guys, if you don't have any technical doubts, then we'll go for the next slides where we are going to discuss about the price and how the course things will be and how to pay, how to do all these things. Yeah, Nagarabhai, can you proceed?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Can you?
Thank you, Tahir. Thank you so much for your
to
valuable
you.
time, Tahir.
Yeah,
It was
thank you.
an awesome session with you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, then. Okay, folks, now I'm jumping to start our after course enrollment, what the support you'll get and what kind of bonuses you will get along with this course. Just let me share my screen. I think my screen is visible to everyone. So coming to the support, is my screen visible to everyone? Please just raise your hand or read the chat box.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Nitish. Okay, then coming to the support part, we have 1 hour free support and all doubts will be cleared in first out order in the session. And along with that, we have the paid support also available for unaddressed questions and token basis. Okay, for the token basis, we'll go with the depth in the main sessions. Okay, and each token is 15 minutes per slot. Means one token is equal to the 15 minutes, and the tokens are available in. We're providing some kind of platforms like olive, silver, gold, diamond, and platinum. Okay, these are the categories we're providing the for token system. Tokens are valid for a lifetime, that also converted into the money and withdraw anytime. And coming to the live recordings for each course, for it will be take the 799 Indian rupees for course recordings. Okay, the live recordings will you get. And coming to the bonus session, after completion of your training, you will be get the course completion certificate from our company and free internship for the trainings who completed students. I mean, after completion of your training, we will hire you. We will hire you for the internship based on your skill set and placement offer in software development and supporting jobs in our company also. And along with that, providing opportunity to work in product development in internships. For internship certificate also we will get. And the main bonuses you will get from this course is every 3 referrals, you will get 1 training as a free. And every 5 referrals, you will get 1 internship free. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with this. So just any guesses? What is the course price? Any guesses, guys? Any guesses from your side? What is the course price was? Okay, no issue at all. So the actual course price was 30,000 Indian rupees, but now we are providing for free of cost. Okay, 30,000 worthable course we are providing for the free of cost. Just we are taking the 799 Indian rupees for the registration process. That's it. Okay, why? Because some of the students join from Nepal, some are from Sri Lanka, and some are from India. So there is some convenience and management fee according to that. We are taking the only registration fee. That is include 799 Indian rupees. Okay. So for do the registration, simply I share you the our app link. Just once again, I'll share you the app link in the chat. Yes, in the chat you will find the app link, Android app link. Just gone through this link and download and register our app. Our app is Tech Professional Trainings. The app name was Tech Professional Trainings. In the chat box, we have the app link. Just go through it, download and register the app. Using your mail ID, you can log in into that. And for web users, I'm sharing the another link for you guys. Yes, this link is for web users. Okay. Just go through it and register yourself in the app and website. Once you're done with the process, please type done in the chat and explain you the how you can enroll this course through using the app. After completion of your registration in the app, just type done in the chat, guys. I hope the process was clear, I think, right? The first link was Android app link. Just click the link, download the app and register your details. For the web users, we provided the web link. Go through that link and register your details. I'll show you a sample for you for the web users. So for the web users, after logging you the interface will be look like our company name with logo BBIC. So here, are you from India? Just enter your phone number, or else you are from the foreigners. Just registered with the email. Okay. Are you from Sri Lanka and Nepal? Use your mail ID for registration. From people from India, use your mobile numbers to register. Okay. Hurry up, guys. If you have any doubts, any queries while doing this registration, please let me know in the chat box, or else unmute and speak yourself. After registration done, please type done in the chat. I am showing once again for the web users. Simply navigate to the link and you will get to the interface. Okay. If you are from India, register with the details through your mobile number, or if you are from Nepal or Sri Lanka, just register using your mail ID, through your mail ID. Okay. So I'm using my number for registration. If you have any doubts, please see my screen. I'm showing the process how to register into the app. Okay. Simply it will send you an OTP. Enter the OTP and verify it. Okay. After successfully registration, it will be showing like this. Okay. Well, Suraj Kumar, 707 is the registration fee we are taking that. Registration fee. We are providing course for free of cost. We are taking the just registration fee. Kiran, you are not getting OTP. Okay, Kiran, you are from India or Sri Lanka or Nepal? Just let me know. Nepal. Okay, you can register through your mail ID. In the mail, you will get the OTP definitely. For the people who are from the Nepal and Sri Lanka, please use your mail IDs for registration. Yeah, I have tried. Still you not received? Wait, Sandeep, I'll guide you. I think Sandeep, you downloaded and registered the app, right? Just Sandeep, just wait for a minute. I'll guide you. Okay, thank you. Okay, Kiran, no issue at all. I'll share you the Google form link. Just fill the whoever facing the any issues with registering the app or using the web application, please register your details in the Google form. I'll share you that form link instead. Okay, just 1 second, guys. Yes. In the chat box, I shared the Google form link. For the who are people facing any issues while registering the app, those people only fill this form. Kiran, you may fill the form. Sandeep, no need. Why you registered the app successfully? No need. Come on, guys, hurry up. We're running out of our time. Okay, Sandeep. Kiran, please fill the form as soon as possible. Please fill out your details. I'll get back to you and tell you the process. Rest of the people, please do it your works. Go with Android app, or if you have joined through the web, you can go through that web link. Okay. For the people who registered the app, for those people, I'm showing the process. Just once again. After successful registration of your app, okay, Nitesh Dhimal. Okay, sorry. Nitesh Dhimal, I already did. Okay, Nitesh, no need to do once again. Just only one roll. Okay, don't done. Just 1 second. Guys, hurry up for the web users. I received 2 responses for the Google form, Kiran and Kanagaratnam. Okay. Kanagaratnam, you also facing the same issue with OTP? For the who are registered, I'm showing the process, how to take the course. Just 1 second, guys. I'm sharing my screen.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Suraj, tell me.
Sir, there was a rupees of 799. Is that for
Yes.
recording session?
No. It was for your regular batch. We have the batch duration up to 2 months. For that live classes, we are paying this 719 rupees, Indian rupees.
It means, sir, like I didn't understand.
Just 1 second, Suraj.
Okay,
So
okay.
here, after registration app, you will be navigated to this interface. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 second, I'm verifying OTP. Okay. Done. So after successful registration, you will be navigated to this interface at the home page. Okay. So in the home page, simply in the top left, you find the toggle button, right? In the top left. Simply click on the toggle button. After that, the menu will be open, right? In the menu, you will find the payments option. Okay. In the payments option, just click on the payments. You will see the web development. Like this, you will see the web development. Simply click on that web development and pay the fee. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, web workshop. Simply
Hmm.
click on web work and pay
Sure.
fee. Okay. The process will be complete. If you're facing any problems, just let me know in the payment process. And one more thing, I'm adding the students who are downloaded the app into our website. Just 1 second, guys.
So for overall, we need to pay only 707 rupees.
799.
Oh,
799 Indian rupees.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For you, so showing that web work in the payment session.
Who, sir? Yeah, web work. 800
Just
rupees.
click. Yes. Click on it and do the process.
Mm-hmm. So web development and web work is different.
No. Just I am putting the name as a web workshop. I am for my reference. I put it there. That's it.
Okay, okay. So what about, sir, web development 599?
That is only for taking the workshop in the previously student. Now we are providing that workshop also free for you, right?
Okay, okay, I understood.
For
Now
the
I understood.
previous students, we take in the 599 for workshop also.
Okay, if I pay 800 rupees, I will access
Yeah.
both workshop
If you
as well
pay
as.
yes, workshop is completed, buddy. Okay, your workshop is completed.
Mm-hmm.
For the 800 rupees, you will get the access to entire batch. Means the batch duration will be the 2 months, right? Web development batch will be held on 2 months.
Okay, okay.
Paying that 800 rupees.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Yeah. And rest of the participants, please let me know if you are facing any queries. All of you downloaded the app, right? Sandeep, Mariam, Nitesh.
So can I pay after some time, like half an hour or 1 hour after that?
Okay, no issue. If you have any query, you can ask me now.
No. I have no problem about any
Hmm.
question. Yeah.
Okay.
And I have no like amount in my online. That's
Okay,
why.
Suraj, no issue at all. No issue at all. Later also you can pay that.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sandeep, have you done with the process?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you gone through that payment option? Have you registered the course? After a successful registration, please send a screenshot. I mean, keep your screenshot with you for your reference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Mariam Bhattarai. Bhattarai. We're going to end up the session at 9:40, guys. Okay. We have 6 minutes more. Please hurry up. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. If you have any, I mean, if you are facing any problems while doing the payment, please ask me.
Nagarova, anything else from my end is required because I'm going to log out.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much for your valuable time. You may log out.
You're welcome. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Yes, guys. If you have any queries, you may ask me now. No issue at all. I'll explain you each and everything. Mathura Karan and Kiran. Just give a try now. Give a try to register app. Are you guys using that registering through the app or web access? Kiran and Mathura Karan. Please respond, guys. We are running out of time. It's almost 20 minutes to 10 o'clock. Okay, Kiran, you are using web. So just give a try once now. Give a try once. And Mathura Karan, what about you? Hey folks, please respond if you are facing any problems or can we end up the session? Only 4 minutes left. Nitesh Dhimal, Maria Bhattrai, Mathura Karan, Suraj Kumar, Sandeep, Kiran. Okay, how's the session, guys? How's the session? How's the clarity? Is everything is good? Or if you're expecting more? Yes, just provide your feedback from our side. Good, good. Thank you, Kiran, and thank you, Nitesh. So we also need support from you guys only. Okay, why? Because we are providing the less cost trainings. We are providing the professional trainings with less cost. We are compromising on prices, not on quality, not on content quality. Okay, at that time we are expecting support from like you students. Why? Because we'll get more support from you. We'll come back with again and again with new offers like this. Just simply imagine in this price, you will get a course from anywhere for live session with a real time experience. It can't be happen, right? So just try to think about it. Okay, just believe in the concept. If you have questions or any small query, you may ask through the group or you may ask through direct message me or direct call me through over the WhatsApp. I will be available for each and every time. Okay, as you said earlier, we have the referral bonuses also. If you refer 3 of your friends, you will get one training free. For example, now Suraj, we are trying to I'm focusing on entire the people who are in this room. Okay, so for example, you are joining to plan this web development for the 799 Indian rupees. Instead of refer 3 of your friends. Okay, then that time you will get the course as free, completely free. If you refer 5 of your family members or friends who are the aspirants very eager to learn IT trainings. Okay, so then that time you will get the internship also free from our company. Why? Because we are the IT startup, IT product based company in India, not like institute, not like agency. It's a IT startup. Okay, the company name is Bright Blue Innovation Circles Private Limited. Yes, yes, that's good. That's good spirit, man, Kiran. Swear. May I know your name, Swear, please? If you have, how can I get internship? Yes, Kiran, you need to complete your training successful. Why? Because when you successfully completed your training, then we'll provide into the internship based on your web development. Okay. I swear I'm a graphic designer. Let me know if you need any help. I'm Arjun. Okay, sure, Arjun. Definitely, I'll contact you if you need any graphic works. I'll definitely contact you, buddy. There is no doubt at all. And Arjun, are you from Nepal? Good, 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 good. Very good. Okay, then. Have you done any certifications? Or can you just let me know your experience? I'm very eager to hear the voice with you. Can you just unmute and speak yourself? I mean, your experience in graphics. Why? Because if I need, I'll also contact you, and I'll share the information with my colleagues and my co-related employees and my friend circle also. Why? Because nowadays the graphic is a very trending concept, right? My laptop mic is not really good. Okay, okay, no issue, Arjun, no issue. Okay, guys, have a nice to meeting with you. I'm going to end the session now. Okay, is it okay for you? I'm ending the session, or if you have any doubts. Okay, good, good, Sandeep. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.